$50?
I mean, I would give you like $10 for a stack of magazines. I would.
I think they're worth more than that. Just give me $10 for
You
them.
know? Okay.
Never mind, I think I'll just keep them.
You want to keep
I'll
this?
just keep the magazines too.
Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Okay. Put this chair behind you for me. Well, you're an early riser.
Oh, am I? Am I the first one here?
You like record what you find and post it on YouTube?
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. Yep. Yeah, thank you, man. It's called Picking and Punching. So. Some John Deere hats. These are cool. Do you know how much these hats are? By any chance? Oh, the boss lady? All right. I will ask the boss lady.
How much do you want those hats for?
Says I need to ask the boss lady how much for these hats.
Is there something on there?
There's no, they were sitting right here, but there's nothing on top of them.
Oh,
There's,
okay.
yeah, there, everything else had stuff on it, but that one did not.
What? $1.
Okay, I'll do that.
John Deere.
Two John Deere hats.
I told them $1 on those.
Okay.
Probably $1 each.
I just got a 10.
You got a 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Well, I can say hello, $500 on that for it, and I just do two.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you doing?
Good. Getting your walking in, huh?
Keep trying to. That Rudolph is cool.
Asking $20 for it. Very well.
What do you have in your tools?
I've got everything here you can think of, all the line wrenches, all the big wrenches, ones. Like I say,
Are you selling as a lot? You selling individual?
speed handles in it. No, I'm selling the whole thing as a unit.
Okay.
And it, like I say, there's well over $500 worth of tools here.
Huh.
I'm selling it for $200.
200.
That's everything. And I even got some extra toolboxes to go with it.
Is this bottom one open up too?
Pardon?
Oh, okay. Just seeing if there's anything down below there.
Oh. All the half-inch stuff. This is
Yeah.
all 3/8. Down below in there's a quarter.
All right, I'll think about it. Morning.
Trying to get away from the TV.
That's gonna be a wine thing.
You can bring your own.
Okay. BYOB? Huh? BYOB?
Yeah. I don't think that. Yeah. Don't get me wrong. I don't. I don't.
I think I probably would not. I go over and I had a glass of wine and I don't didn't want it.
Thank you.
Yep,
Thank you.
Is this 50 cents?
You may have said it nicer.
Well, you're 50 cents, or you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Or just a minute.
I don't know.
No
You'd
problem.
have to ask.
This one, El Matador.
Actually, just keep it. I'll take this.
All right.
Oh.
50 cents.
I'll give it
Everybody
back.
needs a set of ears.
I know, right? Why not? That's cool.
Yeah. That top comes down too. Got the tilt steering wheel, directionals, four-way plastic, got everything.
Did you get it custom made like that?
No, I bought it that way. Yeah. Yeah.
What's the power grade?
It's a club car.
Oh, okay. It's not there yet.
There, David. Morning, there I am. I'll go with you today.
Not too bad. Yourselves?
Not too bad. Feels good right here with the sun.
I know. You know, look at yesterday. We
Yes.
went in the pool, 80-some degrees, and today, brrr, winter coat. I know. I said, I've got this over a long sleeve, and I'm ready to go and get a heavier sweatshirt on.
Yeah, in an hour or so it'll probably be pretty
I don't
comfortable.
know how high it's supposed to get today.
Into the mid-70s.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, that's what somebody said. They said, yeah, give it another hour, hour and a half, or whatever, it'll be a little bit more warmed up.
Yep.
We were talking, it's too bad the ship wasn't open today.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah, there's a ton of people.
The traffic we've had through here
A
today.
lot. I think there's more this year than
Oh,
there was
yeah.
last
Oh,
year.
That's
yeah.
what Davey was saying.
Yeah. Because we rolled around a little bit last year and there wasn't near as many places.
Did you take 5 for the jacket?
I really don't want to.
Okay.
It's brand new.
Well, I don't see anything I can't live without, so.
I know. Those are women's.
Yep.
Grabbed it, what I was looking at.
Oh, you were?
No, no, no.
Oh, there you
just, was it too big? The size 11?
Size 11.
Yeah.
If you want, we can have them.
No, no,
Okay.
that's too big. I'm looking.
I didn't know you were looking at them. I apologize.
Yeah, no, that's fine. First grab is first.
No, no,
that's it,
no.
You know,
I
that's,
just,
that's the way it is at the ad sale. Wow. Got a lot of nice ones too. I think that's an 11. Is that a women's? Is it a women's 11?
Yeah, those are women's, size 11.
Yeah, but they have women's and ends.
That's a women's.
Those are women's.
Oh, those are women's.
Those are my shoes.
Oh, you like sneakers, but you didn't wear them.
Huh?
You like sneakers, but you didn't wear them.
I tell you, I had trouble with my feet, and I buy a pair of shoes, and then it just like they
know.
didn't feel right,
Yeah.
you know. And I don't know. I tell you the truth, I had to go to men's shoes. I think they keep making the shoes smaller. Because when I was in 10, I bought 11s, and now my 11s, I feel like my feet, because I got long, you know, but these are 9s and mids. I was more told than women. But I have arches too, so that fills out the shoe.
My last two will tell me I'm walking around
Nice shoes with the size.
like the last two toes that go together.
Yeah, well, this one here, I had a horse step on my foot when I was young. And you know, back then, your parents didn't take you to get a toe fixed, you know, so.
No,
All right.
just part of the game, I guess.
Yeah.
that's cool. It's a cool hat.
Nice. So $5.50. Actually, we'll throw in the A's hat.
Oh, well, thank you. I appreciate it. Getting deals left and right. Thank you so much. Good morning.
Hi,
How are you today?
hanging in there.
Wow, this is huge.
Yeah. I have some Barbie dolls too with Barbie clothes.
Gotcha.
Make me a good offer.
How old is this? Do you know?
This, it's a few years old, but the doorbell rings on the back.
Uh-huh.
On the back, the door right in here, it runs off batteries, and the doorbell rings, the light comes on.
Gotcha. What are you asking for it?
I'm asking $100.
100.
That's what I'm asking. You probably couldn't get it online.
Yeah.
And those are Barbie dolls.
Barbie dolls in here?
These are Barbie dolls in here. Yeah, I got that look through.
Are these all from the same time frame?
I think there's some little. You mean from this?
Yeah.
I don't know about that,
Oh,
but I know
gotcha.
that they're old Dollhouse. They're old
Is this all
dolls.
stuff too for the dollhouse?
No, this is
Oh,
just
gotcha.
regular, you
Gotcha.
know. All this is Dollhouse case.
Gotcha.
Case, the doll, and the drawers and all that. And there's some doll furniture. Maybe I should have that displayed.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi. I'm hanging in there. It's a little bit chilly out though.
Yeah, I know.
A bit chilly out. This is an old one. Oh. This is dumb.
Oh.
So get off on that. This is some like, this goes in the ground. It looks like a skeleton.
Yeah, I have one of them myself.
Yeah. And this right here, this is like old guitars, like from Eric Clapton.
Oh, cool. Let me see those.
Books.
What are you asking for these?
I don't know, make me an offer.
Oh, they're just guitar books, the magazines.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And this is some old doll furniture.
Okay.
Yeah, this one right here is like $16.95. Just for this one right here, that's with the price on it.
Yeah. Are these more magazines in there?
Yeah.
You got some old home videos in there too as well?
Really, these are just
Oh, gotcha. Oh, reels?
yeah, reels and stuff like that.
There's no footage in them, just the reels only?
Just the reels, I believe.
Gotcha. What are you asking for those?
Not really sure.
Yeah, they're just cool.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
something you would hang on the wall in like
Yeah.
a movie room or something like that.
Keep an eye out for these old guitar magazines. And the back of these magazines actually has sheet music that you can actually play along with your guitar. Bands like Metallica and Nirvana can actually bring a premium. And then in the later 90s, they actually came with CDs inside of them. And a lot of these can usually sell between $5 and $10 a piece. Depending on who the band is, you can actually get some higher prices if they're in great condition.
What do you think you want for the stack of magazines?
I don't know. I don't really what they were like, $50?
I mean, I would give you like $10 for the stack of magazines. I would.
I think they're worth more than that, but just give me $10. Well,
You know? Okay. I'll do that. Thank you.
probably worth more, but
Do you have a 10 by any chance?
no, I don't.
Okay. Let's see. Is there something? How much did you want for the reels in there?
The reels,
Just the empty containers?
the empty containers. What about, I don't know.
Let me see. Oh wait, there's nothing in that one.
Yeah, no, there's nothing on these.
Oh, there's no. I thought there was a reel in this one. Oh, wasn't a reel in this one?
There's
Yeah.
one on that one.
There's one in that one.
Never mind, I think I'll just keep them.
You wanna keep
I'll
this?
just keep the magazines too and keep that. If you have a card, do you have a card that I can get a hold of you?
I'll give you 20 for the magazines.
Alright.
All right. Oh, I've changed. So,
Go ahead. Enjoy yourself.
all right. Thank you.
Probably worth more than that, but go ahead.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you.
That's all right.
So we should know that because they would have that maybe happen again. Okay. Hello.
How you doing today?
Good.
there.
There you go.
You throw your money away.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got $1 for the shirt. You need more racing shirts?
I don't. Just what I have right there.
That's cool, Daytona.
Yeah,
Make sure there's no stains on that thing. All right.
I don't think so.
Here's your hanger
Thank you.
and $1.
And $1. Thank you so much.
Cool. Thank you.
Yes.
You know how long they get on me? Yeah, I don't fit. I like them longer.
But I take a picture of it, show them to him. No.
He knows what they're worth.
Oh, yeah.
And he knows that you'll get see like the orange.
Yeah, that's things like that. Yeah.
Seats wrong.
These were- yeah.
Somebody's paint. I think someone's
Being
painted
painted.
this, the frame,
Yeah.
and
Not
that.
good, yeah.
And it doesn't have a back light either.
Right.
So, I mean, that all detracts.
I'm not buying collector.
Yeah.
Like I said, but I got
Is this new?
Brand new,
What are you asking for it?
$5. This is
Monarch.
Nothing funny, well.
information, and there's a booklet underneath
Gotcha.
in there.
Let's see.
And the springer's missing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, now I had a guy tell me it don't make any difference, but I don't believe that because all the bikes I've seen on the internet, they all got springers.
We used to have
So I'm thinking, well,
some.
I'll give you five for it. Do you have change for 20?
Yes.
Yeah, the table and the chair, yeah.
What are you asking on the sled?
Chairs.
Sled? Sled?
Oh, the sled, David, what would you think? See, I want
Sorry. Sorry.
in my portable, I want something glass, and I want 25 for the sled. I want the chairs. 25 for the sled and 150 for that.
Sure.
I'll empty it out for you.
Okay. Is the stuff inside there for sale or no?
I don't even know what's in it.
Oh, really?
I don't even know.
Oh, I just.
It was my dad, so.
Gotcha.
You know, it's all kinds of, well, this is company stuff. This is company stuff.
I wasn't sure it was a package deal. What was in here?
Yeah, I don't even, just,
You just
I
brought the
have-
trunk out and didn't know and just.
yeah, it's, do you collect antiques or?
I like
what?
antiques and stuff like that, so that's why I was
Yeah.
curious if there's anything in the trunk or.
Yeah, these are my pictures.
Looks just like some old.
Yeah, some old stuff.
Gotcha,
so-
okay.
Yeah.
Snow Beast TV VCR combo. How much? $60.
Keep an eye out for these little 13-inch VCR TV combos. They can actually sell for really good money, and they are used for retro gaming. I usually pick them up for, I get them for like $5-10 at yard sales, and you can usually get anywhere from like $75 to $150 for them.